Kalakanta Prabhu, who you may know as the GBC Minister for Agriculture and Farms, asked me to make a little promo for a course that he's going to give on simple living. Seems strange that you have to have a course on simple living, but we're so unsimplified, we're so complex that you need a course. Actually, there are many things in a simple society. You have to, like Fletcher, Carter, you need people to make arrows, and I don't think he'll be teaching that, but carts, how to drive bullocks, all these kind of things. So he's going to be giving this. He asked me to make a little promo, so this is it. If you want to be part of his course, you could ask Avadut Chandra Prabhu. He's in contact with him, or we can put this on YouTube and put the Kalakanta Prabhu's email address below that. I can't say I've taken the course, but he hasn't given it, but I have good faith that Kalakanta Prabhu will give a good course. He's very dedicated. He's been all over the world seeing all the ISKCON farm projects, and he's taking up this very important and unfortunately rather neglected service. He's taking it very seriously. So all power to him, all glories to him, and if you want to be part of that course, contact him. Hare Krishna.